Hello guys, this is ABK Trade. I am back again. So natural gas did it. Actually, natural gas is breaking out, guys. It is breaking out. We got our first confirmation of a breakout, and now we need the second one. So even right now, you can actually open a long position, but it is more riskier to open right now until we get the second confirmation. But yes, we got our first confirmation, and now we are waiting for the second confirmation to open a long position. So how are you supposed to trade this setup? I'm going to break it down for you in this video. Let's go, guys. Let's go. So basically, as you can see, we got a breakout of our trend line level. You see, we broke this resistance. We have never broke it. This is the first time that we are breaking it. So as you can see, there is another resistance here, this resistance, and now we are hitting that level. So what can you do now? If you are not you are not optimistic, you don't feel like opening a trade, you want another confirmation. This is the second confirmation. Once price break out of this resistance, then it is time to stop thinking and get to work. So let me show you this. As you can see, all this time, this, and now this. So you see, we are finally breaking out. And now, if you don't want to take a trade right now, you can wait until we break this level, this resistance level. This is the next important level. Once we break out, then you can take a trade. It is safe to take a trade. Natural gas, yes. So right now, if you are to take a trade, how should you do it? I will show you. So if I am to take a trade right now, then I will be doing this. I will open my long position, and if I want to get it right now, I will be opening a position around this level, and honestly my stop loss is going to be kind of a lot, because until we break this structure, I don't think that we are not gonna go up. So basically I will put my stop loss below this consolidation, this small bullish plug that we had. So I will put my stop loss right below it, and then I'm going to put my take profit all the way to this 5.3 level. So $5.30, that is where I'm gonna target. So this is the setup. This is the setup that I'm going to take, and even right now, this is the setup that I'm going to take. Once I see a break of this structure, I'm going to take a trade there just to be safe. Now I get my first confirmation. We broke out, we closed a candle outside of this trend line, and now we are facing another second resistance. So once we break this resistance, then it is safe to take a trade. So if you don't want to get it right now, you can wait for the second confirmation. So how can you do that? Well, just adjust your entry to this 3.65 level. So once price reach there and you see a candle close, then you can open your long position, put your stop loss around this lower structure, and then you can target this $5.3 level. So this is the setup, guys. If you want to go long natural gas, this is what you should do. because this is what I'm doing. But I've seen already, like, I've checked my MetaTrader and I've seen that we already broke this level there. But hey, this is what I'm following. This is the chart that I'm following. I don't trust, brokers a lot, but this is the chart that I'm following. So I'm gonna wait for the second confirmation. Once I see price climbing there, then I will be opening my long position natural gas. So this target, where did I get this target? Well, I will show you. So we need to go back to the weekly chart. Look at the weekly chart. As you can see, this is the weekly chart. As you can see, this is a head and shoulder pattern. You see it? The left shoulder, the head, and then the right shoulder. And look at what happens. We broke out. You see? That is exactly what I'm saying again. Whenever you get a breakout, this massive breakout, and you don't get a retest, usually at some point you will have to go and retest that level. So right now what we are doing is we are going to go and retest that level. So that is why this level is my target, because this is a retest level and we broke out without no retest, and now natural gas is trying to go and retest that level again. So that is why this is my target. So guys, I mean, this is the life, this is what we do day in, day out. This is what we do, you know what I mean? But yeah, this is not a financial advice, but personally, this is what I'm doing. If you want to follow me, you can follow me on this trade, but this is what I'm doing right now. Once I get my second confirmation, then I'm going to go in, but always control your leverage. Don't over leverage, guys. Nothing is guaranteed in trading, as you know. Well, guys, I am out. See you at the top.